Hi, hello. My name is Kurt Smith Di Maala and andito ako ngayon sa Auckland, New Zealand. Before sa Philippines, taga Antipolo Rizal ako. Right now, I'm a student, international student here in Auckland, New Zealand. I'm taking the level 4 health and well-being program. It's a healthcare course and take ako noon sa Calandra. Actually, nag-start lahat to kay Papa. So si Papa ang unang nag-New Zealand, nagpunta sa New Zealand sa amin. Nung nagkaroon na si Papa ng rights na makuha yung family that time, ang NB Consulting ang tumulong din sa amin. Actually, this is a pandemic era. After pandemic, nilakad yung papel lahat. Actually, hindi ako nakasama sa may parang one-time promo yung immigration na you can bring your family up here. Meron siyang age limitation. So, yeah, hindi ako nakasama doon actually. So, ma-family lang, mother, brother, sister, lahat sila actually resident na sila dito by helping this NB Consulting. Actually, my goals in life, I think mas madali siyang ma-achieve pagka syempre i-consider natin yung power of purchase ng dollar, right? So mas madali siyang mas maaabot mo agad siya in a short time span at at least, 'di ba? I think that's the one, I think my motivation to study and live here. I think the most guidance memorable for me is hindi sila nagko-quit sa kung ano mang sinisimulan nila, right? So kung ano yung sinimulan mo sa kanila hanggang maging profitable ka nagiging profitable ka na, hindi ka pa rin nila pababayaan. Yeah, I highly recommend the NB Consulting to other people who wants to came here in New Zealand. Just trust the process in the NB Consulting and they will do their job. Ang magiging ano lang kasi ng problema ng iba talaga, it involves a big amount of money, right? So, ang daming nagda-doubt kasi alam mo yon, hindi biro din talaga. Ang masasabi ko sa mga magta-try ng NB Consulting, well, pare-parehas lang naman tayo ng sitwasyon. Problema talaga yan. Kaya nga tayo nandito, di ba? Ang advice ko sa mga magpapa-assist sa NB Consulting, magtiwala kayo. Tiwala. More, at actually, trust talaga eh. In my case, nagtiwala lang din ako. I think it's a good choice. Look at me, I'm studying here. I'm international student right now.